Assalamu alaikum, brothers and sisters. Today we will discuss an important topic that affects every Muslim's faith. It's time to unveil the Eemaan Assassins, the silent killers threatening your faith. Let's dive in. Number 1. Neglecting the Quran. Every word of the Quran is a source of guidance and light. But when we neglect its teachings, our Iman suffers. Make a habit of reciting and reflecting upon the Quran every day. Number 2. Laziness and Salah. Our 5 daily prayers are the cornerstone of our faith. Yet when we become lazy with our Salah, our Iman weakens. Let's pray on time, with focus and sincerity. Our connection with Allah will flourish, and our Iman will be protected. Number 3. Surrounding ourselves with bad company. The people we associate with greatly influence our beliefs and actions. If we engage with negative influences, our Iman will suffer. Surround yourselves with righteous and pious companions who inspire you to do good. Number 4. Engaging in sinful entertainment. Movies, music, and social media can easily lead us astray. When we consume harmful content, our Iman takes a hit. Be mindful of what you watch, listen to, and engage with online. Focus on beneficial entertainment that nourishes your faith. Number 5. Ignoring the remembrance of Allah. Zikr is a powerful tool to boost our Iman. However, when we neglect the remembrance of Allah, our hearts become heedless. Remember Allah in every moment and seek solace in His remembrance. Brothers and sisters, these are the silent killers threatening our faith. Let's be vigilant and protect our Iman from these assassins. Thank you for watching. If you found this video beneficial, kindly subscribe to our channel for more short Islamic Iman boosters. May Allah preserve and strengthen our Iman. Assalamu alaikum.